What's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to show you why people think the answer to this question is 2 even if they know the order of operation called PEMDAS. So some people usually follow the order of operation and still get this question correctly. Now let me show you what they usually do. Okay, so let's say of course, we begin with the parenthesis. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, the first thing we have to solve is everything in parentheses. Okay, so they say 20 divided. So 2 plus 3 is 5 times 2. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, they usually say multiplication comes first. So they say 20 divided 5 times 2, and that gives us 10. And the last step is to divide 20 divided by 10, and that gives us 2. Okay, so this answer is completely wrong. Okay, this answer is 100% wrong. This is not the correct answer. So let us solve for the correct answer. All right. So let us solve this question correctly using PEMDAS. And when solving, you must work from left to right. Okay, that's the mistake in the first step. So work from left to right. So according to PEMDAS, of course, parenthesis comes first. So we do 20 divided by, okay, 2 plus 3, which gives us 5 times 2. Yes, it is true that division and multiplication have equal priority, but we must work from left to right. So we have to divide before multiplication. Okay, so 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 2. And of course, the final answer is 8. So this is the correct answer. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.